Hello, welcome back. My name is Jasri. In this video, we are going to see a demo on Route 53. Prior to this video, there are a couple of videos we have done. One is preparing infrastructure for Route 53 demonstration, and we have also done a video on describing about simple routing policy. So there are multiple routing policies in Route 53 as listed here. And in this video we are going to talk about a weighted routing policy. If you would like to follow with me, I strongly recommend that you follow one of my previous video to prepare your infrastructure. But if you are just trying to understand the concept, I will recommend you to just proceed with this video. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start our demo. As I mentioned, our demo is on weighted routing policy. Okay. So access your Amazon web console. Once you are onto the home page, go to the home page of Route 53. Select the hosted zone, and this is my hosted zone which is configured earlier. If you would like to know, I strongly recommend to follow my previous video. So I am in the hosted zone record section. Now here I can create different records. Now what I mean by weighted routing policy is I can define a record which tells how much percentage of the client request should go to a different IP. So I will specify different records with a different weight, and the client request will go to that specific IP based on the weightage that we give to that particular record. So let's see in. So I'm going to create a record. This time I'm going to choose a weighted policy. Choose weighted routing policy. Click next. So here I'm going to specify this will be weighted routing policy demo. So weighted demo. Let me say weight demo to make it simple. And there are different record types that I can mention, but for weighted policy I'm choosing A record. The A record is a name to IP translation. Now for TTL I'm choosing the low value, which is 60 seconds. Now I came to the place where I can define my weighted records. In this section I can specify multiple records. So I'm going to define 3 records to give a weightage of 70, 20 and 10. So when I mention the 70 goes to my North Virginia, 20 goes to my Asia Pacific, and 10 goes to my Europe Frankfurt EC2 instance. So in the preparation of the infrastructure, I have 3 EC2 instances prepared in 3 different regions. Now I'm going to use those 3 EC2 instances in different regions to route my requests based on the weightage that I'm giving to them. So I'm going to define 3 records. The first record will be the IP, and then let me choose the IP for the North Virginia. The North Virginia IP is this one. So I'm going to assign that to this record, and I'm going to give 70% as the weightage for this record. And then the health checks, I'm not doing any health checks. Health checks will be discussed in a different video. Now the record ID, it is a North Virginia. I'm specifying North Virginia, and I'm defining this. Okay, so my record is here. Now I'm going to define 2 more records that corresponds to my 2 other instances in different regions. So here IP, let me collect the IP from the Asia Pacific. I'm in the Mumbai region, so the IP for this instance is this one. copy and paste it here. So for this I am going to give 20 as a weightage. I am not selecting any health checks, and for here I am going to specify AP Mumbai, define this weighted record. Now the third record is from Frankfurt. I am going to choose IP. The IP value from Frankfurt is, let me go to Frankfurt region. So the instance is this one. The public IP for this instance is this one. I am selecting this and copying it into my record, and the weightage that I am giving this to is 10%, no health checks, and this is Frankfurt. Okay. Now as you see here, I have defined 3 records and their weightage is also defined. So whenever clients are accessing this record waitdemo.askmlabs.online, based on the weightage that we specified here, the requests will be routed appropriately. So I'm clicking now on create record. So it will create DNS record in Route 53. As you see here, there are 3 records with some weights here. You can also see the column here which says 10%, 20%, 30% for these records. You can see the corresponding IPs assigned for that. Okay, so let me also give you a small difference between simple and the weighted record, because the records are available here. So in the case of simple routing policy, you can just define one record and which can translate into a single IP or multiple IPs, so as defined here. But in the case of weighted records, you will have a multiple records for the weighted name, and the IPs are one to one relation. So as you see here, the last 3 records, each record is mapping to a different IP in different regions. Okay, now we are ready to validate whether the requests are going to the different regions. Now for testing this, it is really hard to validate because we have to validate the simulation from different sources to simulate the load on the DNS record. I have a simple way to validate, but we will see if we are able to switch to different regions during the access. So for simple, let me first access in the browser and see if I am able to access one of the web server. So as I mentioned, wait demo.askmlabs.online. Okay, so now I'm able to access the web server from North Virginia, but if you keep on refreshing this, at some point you may see the web page from a different region, but I'm going to show you a different way to validate. If it works, then fine, but because of the TTL value, even if we access the web server from a single source, it may always give me the same record. So it's just a trial. In case if we get a different value, that proves that we are able to put some load on the DNS record, and it is routed according to the weightage given to that particular record. Okay. Okay, the response that you see, it is actually a code that is specified in the index HTML page. So when you get the first record, now the record is fetched from the Asia Pacific Mumbai region. Now at some point when the wait is over on that particular record, it should actually switch to a different record. So when it switches to a different record, that means the wait is switched on that particular record, and it moved to a different wait. but sometimes because of the DNS cache and the time to live value, even if it did multiple tries from a single terminal, it may not go to a different IP, just because the values are cached and the weight on the DNS record may not be effective. So as the script is running, let me also discuss some of the important point. When we are defining the weighted routing policy, there is one option called health check. We did not use health check in weighted routing policy. The other thing that I would like to mention is the use case. When it comes to the weighted routing policy, it is mainly used if you have a new code deployed into any web server and you do not want to migrate all your client load to the new code. You just want to have a step-by-step testing into that new code. So you deploy that code into a specific region, and then you just route a 10% load of into that EC2 region, to that region. So if you have a positive results, then you can keep on increasing the weight of that particular region, and so that way you can test the code is working fine or not. In some cases, you can actually split the load between different regions. In that case, you can specify the percentage of weight that it has to go to different regions. So these are the two mostly used use cases for weighted routing policy. Okay, so as you see here, the results, it shows that the response is now switched from Asia Pacific Mumbai to North Virginia. If you see the number of records it returned, the North Virginia is answered many number of times when compared to the Asia Pacific. That is because of the weight that we have specified for North Virginia, because for North Virginia we specified 70%. So when I see responses for this query, the response goes 70% of the times to North Virginia and 20% of the times to Asia Pacific and 10 times only to the Frankfurt. Okay, so that concludes the validation part of the weighted routing policy on Amazon Route 53. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. I will revert as soon as possible. If this is the first time you are watching this video, please subscribe this video, and you can always reach us at our email address. Details are given below. Please share this video if you like it. Also keep watching our next videos, which will be on different other routing policies. Thank you.